All right. So again, good morning, everybody. Welcome. Again, an event that we've been very looking forward to sharing our knowledge, talking about what it means. And I'm sure all of you are looking forward to have an interesting day where you can get to know more about our Azure world and all the new things that have been happening. So exciting day. All of us are technologists at heart. And I believe, we don't lose an opportunity to learn something. So we're very happy to host this event for you. As my colleague Vasudha mentioned, we have been doing this in collaboration with the community and with Microsoft over the last 5 years, and we've had tremendous success that we have. Before I give you a quick overview of what to look forward to today, because I'm very excited, I think there are some great sessions planned and some great speakers who know their subject very well will come in and showcase, what Azure is all about and the different aspects of Azure. Before I do that, let me quickly spend a minute about ValueMomentum, because that's who's sponsoring the entire event today. So I'm going to share my screen and talk about it. So as my colleague Vasudha mentioned, we are ValueMomentum. We have been serving the industry for more than 2 decades right now, very, very vertically focused in the BFI segment, doing a lot of work with Microsoft and Azure. We're about 4,500 people. Always adding, looking to add all great people and, continuing to do some exciting work there. A lot of work on digital transformation, a lot of work on architecture, cutting edge work that we've seen, that we work with multiple carriers that we have. So we work with multiple carriers in aspects of their entire transformation journey, whether it is their code transformation, digital transformation, data transformation. I think exciting work that we're doing, and that is really paying off. So an exciting place, and I think we've had some great successes over the years to look at. So as ValueMomentum team, we're happy to bring this event to you. And what we've planned for today is very interesting topics. I think we had a lot of debate because there's just so much to choose when it comes to technology and Azure. So we wanted to make sure that we choose the best sessions. So we'll start with Prakash, an industry speaker who'll come talk to us all about, automation. That's the in thing, right? Anybody who talks digital is always talking automation. So he will present, an aspect of automation using Azure Logic Apps. I think that same theme will be continued by my colleague Deepak, who will now take it and expand it beyond Logic Apps into the other aspects of automation and how, what are other tools and technologies that are available that help us solve these automation problems. We have a couple of sessions on entire containerization, microservices, right? And all of us have been reading so much about all of these. These are almost the in trends, right? The fashion trends of technology are the microservices, containers, and Docker. So we have a couple of our colleagues, Lakshman, who will come in, and Vamsi, who will come in and try and demystify it, show you things in action. Hopefully, you'll get a chance to ask questions and clarify whatever that you would look at it. Another area that is again very popular, and all of us have been reading, studying, talking, discussing, is this entire cognitive thing, right? This entire artificial intelligence and automatic recognition, whether it is voice or chat or object or image or any of those aspects. So we have Sriram who will come and talk about it, and he's been part of some very, very interesting work that we're doing in that entire cognitive space that we have. So it's not just about all technology and all building. Then Nataraj will come in and talk about a different aspect of technology, not just building it, but how do you ensure that you build it with quality. So he'll talk about some of the features and technologies that come in. And finally, I think Vasudha will round up the day. You already heard from her. She'll come round up and talk about how this new thing called serverless is taking over the world and what it means to work on it. So very exciting. We had a lot to choose from. So hopefully we pick some topics that will resonate with all of you. And like with the theme of global Azure that we do, I think that the intent is not to present a lot of things. The intent is to really show you and maybe give you a little bit of hands-on as well. So there'll be a lot of interactive sessions. So I would encourage you to sit back, dedicate a day to learn, ask questions, follow up. If you don't get all the answers, do follow up with the team, do follow up with any one of us, and we'll be able to do it. So I'm excited. I've cleared my day. I'm going to sit here, get myself a nice cup of coffee maybe, and then watch and learn from, as some of the industry experts will talk to us and showcase their, what it means for all of them. So good luck, and just wishing all of us the very best, and good learning for all of us. Right. So Latika, over to you. If you want to introduce our next speaker, I think Prakash comes with a lot of experience and industry practitioner's view. So all yours, Latika.